Hey, future YouTube stars! Thinking about turning your passion into profit? Here's your ultimate guide to making money on YouTube. First things first, get started by creating quality content. It's all about finding your niche. Whether you're into beauty, gaming, tech, or vlogs, find what you love and stick to it. Consistency is key. Next up, let's talk subscribers. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is your gateway to earning through ads. Speaking of ads, don't just rely on them. Consider affiliate marketing. Partner with brands that align with your content and share products you genuinely use. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a cut. Another great tip, diversify your income streams. Think about offering channel memberships for exclusive content or starting a Patreon. Your loyal fans will be happy to support you. And don't forget about sponsored content. As your channel grows, brands will start approaching you for collaborations. Just make sure to remain authentic and only promote products you believe in. Lastly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community. The more connected your viewers feel, the more they'll want to support you. So get out there, create amazing content, and start earning. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient and don't give up. Got questions? Ask me how. Happy YouTubing!